Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to change country location in Skype. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to do it. So open your Skype app and tap on your profile icon to the top left corner and tap on Skype Profile and tap on Location, tap on Edit, scroll down and here you will find this location section, and inside of this section you can add your city, state. Also you can add or change your country by tapping on this country option. Now select your country and tap on Save Changes. So that's how you can change country location in Skype. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.